Hey, what's up guys? Joe Bennett here with Vigor, where we give you the fuel for powerful living. Today I'm going to show you how to make our invigorating oatmeal. Step by step, going to walk you through it. All right, in this oatmeal, super delicious. It's got oats, dates, tiger nut meal, chia, some grass-fed collagen, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. You can make it with water or milk, either one, or a mixture of the two, or a milk alternative. So let's go ahead and dig in, get this thing going. All right, first up, you gotta turn on your stove. Bam. Get some gas going. Now I've got roughly 3/4 cup of milk here. I'm gonna add that in and bring that to a boil. Okay, once your milk or water or whatever you're using gets to a roughly rapid boil. Oh, it's getting there. All right, so then you're gonna tear open your package of oatmeal and pour it in before it leaves the pot. Oh, got it in there. Give it a stir so it gets all up in the liquid. Once you get it in there and you let it boil briefly, like really briefly, with the oatmeal in the liquid, you're gonna take it down to low heat. All right, you wanna stir it occasionally, every so often, just until the liquid gets absorbed. You don't want to adulterate your oatmeal too much. We're about ready. It's been roughly less than a minute or so there, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, not very long. We're gonna take that, get it into our bowl. My favorite way to eat this oatmeal is with a slice of butter and some pecans and maple syrup. Just put these bad boys right on there. And man, it is freaking awesome. Give it a try however you want. I'd love to hear what you top it with. Hit us back and let us know. Enjoy it.